Hello, I'm Jack Weaver. I'm from Ambassador Christian Academy in New Jersey. I got into STEM because I'm a more creative person, so I would definitely say if you're into creating things, definitely consider doing STEM.
Coming from the East Coast, this is our first time at GCU participating in the STEM competition. I can definitely state my students had a phenomenal time being here.
Why are you here?
I'm here for the competition.
Low-key, this experience is lit. Like, I'm excited for the nursing lab.
For someone that's interested in STEM, I would say just go do it, man. There's so many possibilities with STEM that you would never have if you didn't get into STEM.
Well, it's just a great opportunity to bring Christian schools, not just from around the United States, but from around the world, bring them to campus, have them get the chance to kind of experience GCU and kind of get a little bit of exposure to some of our students and different opportunities and things like that.
I've always been interested in building things. And then this ICSC came along and it was like, it opened a door. STEM is a doorway, a stepping stone to bigger fields and careers where we can help the lives of others.